Hey guys, did you know that bunnies come to our backyard all the time? That gives me an idea. Let's make a quilling bunny today. I have already assembled my bunny, as you can see. Now I'm going to teach you how you can assemble your bunny. First, we have 4 round circles using 3 strips. Then we have a big body using 16 strips. Then we have a head, which is half of this body, using 8 strips. Last but not least, we have 2 tiny teardrop strips using 2 strips. Now I'm going to tell you how to assemble it. You're going to take a paper towel roll and cut it in half. Hey-ya! Next, you're going to put these to the side and take a cardboard piece. Once you have the cardboard piece, you're going to draw a circle. All finished, and now I'm going to cut it out. I finished cutting my cardboard into a circle, and I covered it in some cardboard paper along with my paper towel roll. I let it dry overnight and then glued it together with Mod Podge. This is the finished product.